Àrọ̀nì wálé Onikoyi ò sinmi ogun lọ Ikoyi Esho máa gbọ̀nyìn. On the 28th of April, few years ago, a legendary warlord was born, a great descendant of the generalissimo of the warriors of Akinmoyero was born. Join me to celebrate the noble birth of the then Prince Hafeez, Adigun, Akinmoyero, Badeji, the great-grandson of the legendary Onikoyi in Yorubaland. Esho Ikoyi are military aristocrats of the old Oyo Empire. Wherever they are, they manifest and sustain high standards of bravery and proficiency with their own culture and code of honor, which are handed down from father to son. Far back at Ikoyi, Onikoyi Jegbe Ade rule, Onikoyi Ajibesin rule, Onikoyi Yonda rule, Onikoyi Ariori rule, Onikoyi Amodo rule, Onikoyi Alade Ikoyi rule. When it was the turn of Olunlade to ascend the throne of his forefathers, his younger brother was enthroned. Prince Olunlade and some of his brothers left Ikoyi in annoyance with a desire to establish a kingdom of his own. He was followed by some of his brothers who supported him and some warriors as supporters. Prince Olunlade first settled with his brothers, wives and children in a forest known today as Akan village, near the present Ikoyi settlement. He later moved to the present Ikoyi town. Around 1600 AD, Prince Olunlade, holder of beaded crown, ruled at the present Ikoyi. He was succeeded by Ojetunde Akinropo I, who was later succeeded by Shitu Ajayi, followed by Oyebi Oshinjobi Akinmoyero. By divine choice, Prince Hafeez, Adigun, Akinmoyero, Badeji became Onikoyi Olunlade. Kábíyèsí, His Royal Majesty, Ọba Hafeez Adigun, Akinmoyero, Badeji, Akinropo II, the Onikoyi of Ikoyi Olunlade. The then Prince Adigun Akinmoyero Badeji studied at Ahmadiyya Grammar School, Iwo. He studied at Iwo Grammar School, Iwo. He studied at Wesley College, Ibadan. After a successful start as an entrepreneur in the automobile industry, the then noble prince worked at Lafarge Wapco PLC, now Lafarge African PLC, one of the leading cement producers in Nigeria. He had a fulfilling experience in elephant and superset cement produced by WAP. He was at the purchasing department when the divine call came for him to ascend the throne of his forefathers. Kábíyèsí, Your Royal Majesty, Ọba Hafeez Adigun Akinmoyero Badeji Akinropo II, the Onikoyi of Ikoyi Olunlade Aiyedire local government, Osun State, Nigeria. Congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life, healthy life, and prosperous life. Kábíyèsí, you have been a great king, imbued with humility, integrity, bravery, valor, love, and an uncommon passion towards the development of your town. You are a rare monarch, worthy to be celebrated. On behalf of the Ikoyi people worldwide, on behalf of the good people of Aiyedire local government, on behalf of the good people of Iwo land, particularly on behalf of the entire youth of Iwo land, I congratulate you on this auspicious birthday. Kábíyèsí, kádé pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, kírùkẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́ kó di òkìní. Kábíyèsí Ọba Hafeez Adigun Akinmoyero Badeji Akinropo ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ọdọọdún là á rórógbó, ọdọọdún là á ráùsá, ọdọọdún là á rọ́mọbì lórí àtẹ. A ó máa fọdún yín dún ni. May your reign continue to herald monumental progress and development of Ikoyi Kingdom. Kábíyèsí, Ọba Hafeez Adigun Badeji Akinmoyero Akinropo II, Onikoyi Olunlade. Àrọ̀nì wálé Onikoyi ò sinmi ogun lọ Ikoyi Esho máa gbọ̀nyìn. Ogun àjàwẹ̀yìn ló mẹ́ṣọ̀ wù mí, ṣe bógun ojoojúmọ́ ló múlé bàbá yín sú mi lọ. Ìran ẹ̀ṣọ́ kan kì í gbọ́fà lẹ́yìn, iwájú ni bàbá yín fi ń gbọ́ta. Badeji, ẹ̀yin lọmọ Onikoyi àkọ́kọ́, ẹ̀yin lọmọ àgbà tí ń yárun ọ̀tẹ̀, ẹ̀yin lọmọ ọ̀tẹ̀ ò tán, ṣe bíbì kan là á gbé yán bí lólú ọmọ alérí ikú gangan. Akinmoyero ẹ̀yin lọmọ ogun jàjọjà lọ Ikoyi ọmọ akórógunjó. Adigun gbéra ńlẹ̀ òdìdí ogun yá. Níjọ́ ogun lé Esho òdélé wí. Níjọ́ ogun gbóná janjan Esho òpera wọn lórúkọ. Ìwọ lọmọ ogun bá mi nígbò mo dolú igbó, ogun bá mi lọ́dàn mo dèrò ọ̀dàn. Ogun bá mi ní pàlàpàlà òkìtì mo dolú eṣinṣin. Badeji o ìwọ lọmọ aṣíjú akófìrí dàgbà ọfà sán fún. Ìwọ lọmọ ọ̀pọ̀ fún yọ̀ọ̀yọ̀ lákàndàgbà ọfà sílẹ̀. Ìwọ lọmọ igúnnugún balẹ̀ igun ajorí àkàlàmàgbò balẹ̀ wọn á jẹ̀dọ̀. Badeji Adigun ẹ̀yin lọmọ sọgbódìlé ọmọ sọgbẹ́dìgbòrò ẹ̀yin lọmọ sàtàndọ́jà. Onikoyi olúnládé ẹ̀yin lọmọ gbélé gbégbẹ́ gbéjù gbélálùpọ̀n. Bàbá yín gbákìmọ̀rìn gbáwẹ́. Ó gbélé ogbó ó gbé fìdítì ó gbé wàrè ó tún lọ gbé kúta. Ọlọ́kọ̀ Fúlàní Adigun Badeji ẹ̀yin ni Ikoyi ọmọ ogun lọ́tún ọmọ olè lósì. Ẹ̀yin lọmọ ogun lọ́sàn ọmọ olè lóru. Ìran Ikoyi kì í gbéwúrẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn kì í gbágùtàn o, ṣùgbọ́n bí Ikoyi bá róbìnrin rọ̀gbọ̀dọ̀ wọn a máa fi ṣẹ́rárín dín. Badeji ẹ̀yin lọmọ ojú oró tí ò jẹ́ kẹsẹ̀ ẹyẹ ó tó mi. Ẹ̀yin lọmọ ìlú ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ tí òjò mi ọba ó tòrò. Ọba Hafeez Adigun Badeji Akinmoyero Akinropo ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì Ikoyi Esho ní ọmọ àgbà tí ń yẹ̀rùn ọ̀tẹ̀. Congratulations on your birthday. May your reign continue to be peaceful. May the land of Ikoyi continue to blossom. May the entire sons, daughters and residents of Ikoyi continue to prosper. On this auspicious birthday, we rejoice with you, we congratulate you, we pray for you. May you continue to live longer than your ancestors. Kábíyèsí, Ọba Hafeez Adigun Badeji Akinmoyero Akinropo II. You shall live longer than Onikoyi Jegbeade. You shall live longer than Onikoyi Ajibesin. You shall live longer than Onikoyi Yonda, Ariori, Amodo, and Alade. Kábíyèsí, you shall live longer than your progenitor Onikoyi Olunlade. You shall live longer than Ojetunde Akinropo I. You shall live longer than Shitu Ajayi. You shall live longer than Oyebi Osunjobi Akinmoyero. Kábíyèsí, ẹ ó dògbò, ẹ ó fọwọ́ pawú, ẹ ó fèrègì jòbí. Àyọ̀gbóǹtọrẹ́, adágbágbóǹtòsè, àtàrí àgàrà sọ̀gàrà mẹ́ta ọ̀pẹ. Ọdọọdún làárọ̀ rógbó. Badeji, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ àwùsá, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ mọ̀ bí lórí àtẹ ìgbà ọdún.
Adé pẹ̀lú kẹrẹ ọdún tó bàtà pẹ́lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀sìn ọba jẹ púpẹ̀ kábíyèsí. Ara òní ní lórí àpèrè yìí. Ẹ̀rín bá ti ṣe ẹ̀rọ náà gbígbà. Ikú ọmọ kébi eku, ẹyẹ ò máa kébi ẹyẹ, ọmọ ènìyàn ò máa fọ̀n bí ẹ máa bá gbà mú. Ẹ̀pẹ́ lórí àpèrè yìí ò ní gbóná mọ́ wa pẹ̀lú àṣẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀lẹ́dùn máa. Lásìkò èmi Riskat Ọlásùnbọ̀ Àjọkẹ́ Ọlátòlèṣe Ọlárólékè ọmọ Ọlálẹ́dẹ nílẹ̀ tì.
Mo fi àǹfààní kí gbogbo ọmọ Ikoyi pápẹ́ Ọlọ́run á jèrè o, àmì ṣiṣẹ́ o, á ṣe pẹ́ o, kò ní rẹ̀ wá o. Orúkọ mi ni Ọba Hafeez ọmọ Badeji Akinmoyero Adigun Akinropo ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì Onikoyi ìlú Ikoyi ní Aiyedire. ọ̀pẹ ọ̀tẹ̀ lọ.